How's it going? So today it is rainy and chance of lightning and thunderstorms. So I am not getting on the water. I am doing a hiking trip, and I am gonna do the Tonquish Trail at the Holliday Nature Preserve. It's over here in Westland, Michigan. So I'm hoping the river isn't too flooded because it's been raining and it was heavy rains last night. So that will be an adventure. Let's get at it. All right, so doing the Ellsworth Trail to Tonquish Trail. I guess it's this way. This is muddy. This is gonna be fun. I just don't want to slip. I'd be so mad. So this is Tonquish Creek. Very full right now. Named after Chief Tonquish, a well-known Native American chief in the area back in the early 1800s. Very pretty. It's quite nippy out here. I actually had to put my kayaking gloves on. Glad I still had them in my backpack. I was expecting it to be slightly warmer. So, really hope we're going the right way because there's been no trail markers yet. But it's clear that they're doing something. So when there's no trail markers, that's why you download offline maps or take pictures of the maps like I did at the trailhead. That bridge takes us to the Ellsworth Trail. We'll continue the Ellsworth Trail. This trail is the Tonquish Trail. So it follows the creek and everything, and I thought it did, so. Bad box. Bad boxes are awesome. I love bats. This trail is, wow. Rough. For being a Wayne County Parks trail, it's way rougher than I expected from them. I think they're cleaning it up because it looks like there's been a lot of shredding back here. Those are fresh cut. So who knows, it might look better in the spring. Well, it is spring, but late spring. After all the rain's done and people actually want to get out here and clean up the trail more. Well, the people that are getting paid to do it. Because I wouldn't mind cleaning up in this weather. It's actually quite nice. So I was looking on all trails to see, you know, in my local vicinity of like 50 miles to see if there's any like hard rated or extreme rated trails. And the only ones that are like, there's a couple, and they're only rated hard or extreme because of the distance, not because of, well, anything else. Because there's no elevation gain, it's paved paths, etc., etc. Whoop! Dangerous. See, tripped on a stick because I was not watching. Those birds are very loud. Low bridge. Just kidding. I can't even touch that with my hand. Choosing the river path. I think they are redoing the trail though, so it's that one right there and not this, just so they can focus on fixing some of the erosion and not have to keep redoing the trail. I don't know how much work they've put into this trail in years past because I haven't been out here. So. I know it's spring. I know the birds are all making their calls. But this woodpecker is driving me nuts because I swear it's following me. I saw it fly from a further tree to a tree closer to me. It's woo, woo. They're doing it on purpose. The birds have it out for me. They're following me. Future. Sorry. I'm not sorry, that was funny. So it's starting to rain. I don't want to get wet and miserable, so here we are with a poncho. It works so well. I've had this poncho for many things. Brought it to Niagara Falls with me. Used it when I went out east. It's definitely useful there because we were trying to see the lighthouse out on the coast of Maine. And it was just downpouring, so they're definitely building something along here. It looks like it's probably going to be a walkway that goes up to the road and back down the other side. Let's see if I have to go up that path or not. Alright, so I circled back just to see if I could get up on the road over here, and it is flooded over to my knee. I used a stick to measure that. I did not use my legs. They're dry. So let's see if we can get under the, which is what I should have done in the first place. We could just walk under the bridge for the road. That'll probably be the easiest path. Tripped again. That's 2 times so far. All right. Alright, so I circled back just to see if I could get up on the road over here, and it is flooded over to my knee. I used a stick to measure that. I did not use my legs. They're dry. So let's see if we can get under the, which is what I should have done in the first place. We could just walk under the bridge for the road. That'll probably be the easiest path. Tripped again. That's 2 times so far. Under the bridge. Just pretty sure it's not part of the trail, so let's see if it leads to the trail on the other side. I'm hoping so. These rocks are wobbly. So going under the bridge left me in someone's backyard, so I think the trailhead map needs to be updated. So we're back through this, through the water. I might be able to make it through there and around. Looks like it's gonna be my best bet, so let's do it. A thorn got me. I have to readjust my pant legs after this. Whew. Oh, feet are dry. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna head back. So I did this half of the trail. Still catching my breath from that, because I almost fell a few times. And then I'm going to start the other end and do the hike, you know, this direction. So I'll just do like 2 there and backs, because I'm kind of curious where that trail is supposed to continue, considering it's someone's backyard that's fenced off. Like, I saw their entire property. And I'm not going to trample through someone's backyard, so I don't know. Let's see. So unless they're planning on doing more in the further direction, this is like the tiniest loop I've ever considered a trail. So I can still see the bridge from here. So I don't know. It's nice though. It's a nice area. It's clean, kind of. Whoop. River's flowing nicely. Again, not a river, creek. My bad, Tonquish Creek. It looks like a river. Small river. Well, small river's a creek, duh.